Okay, but let's kick things off with our stock board, and Hormaz is at the crease. And Hormaz, I think you've got a very buzzing list today.
To pick out 10 stocks at a time when every bit of the market is moving helter-skelter, but we have still managed to pick out 10, and some of them that you highlighted earlier in the show as well. I'll start off with BSE, and that stock seems to be unstoppable at the moment. Jefferies initiated coverage on the stock yesterday. The buy rating projected a 24% upside, and that stock now ended 8% higher today. But mind you, this comes after the stock has rallied 300% so far this year. That's BSE. Now, moving forward to HPCL, as you mentioned, that is the stock of the day. That stock ended 7% higher. Even that received an upgrade from HSBC today with massive upgrades to earnings estimates as well. That stock is up 40% in a month. It hasn't looked back since it reported its earnings. But what has not done well is Raymond, and that stock just could not find a floor at the moment. That stock another 4% down today. The chairman and MD Gautam Singhania wrote to the board saying that shareholder value creation remains the prime commitment for the company. But it was the 10th day of drop today, the largest losing streak since 2008. That was Raymond, down another 4% today. Up next is Tata Power, and that stock ended 4%, almost 5% higher today. One of the, as a sector was moving today, but Tata Power in an investor presentation highlighted that it plans on spending around 60,000 crores as capex by FY27. And that was one of the power outperformers in today's session. And of course, one sector that continues to move is the PSU insurers. We highlighted on Friday how they are moving because of the low float as well. And New India Assurance, another 8% today, has gained in 8 out of the 9 sessions, is up 75% in the last 15 trading sessions. No stopping that one. TCS, this announcement came towards the closing of trade. The share buyback opens on the 1st of December, closes on the 7th. So major update there for TCS as well. And moving on to the next one, that was Adani Total Gas. Again, as you highlighted, Adani Group stocks, all of them moved. They had one of their best days since the Hindenburg report was revealed, and the stock ended at 20% upper circuit as well. It has also launched a green hydrogen pilot. That was an announcement it made towards the closing of trade as well. The entire group added close to 1 lakh crore in market cap today. And again, Nvidia, the name was enough to get the street excited for NetWeb Technologies, the collaboration with Nvidia for an AI partnership, and Nugent Software. That company announced a bonus issue of 1:1. The stock ended at a 5% upper circuit. And lastly, we'd come to Kesoram Industries, and that company responded to a CNBC-TV18 exclusive which reported about Ultratech's interest in their cement assets. They mentioned that they are exploring fundraising options, but they have not made a decision yet that warrants a disclosure, and that stock also ended 5% higher in today's session. With that, it's back to you.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much for that. That's a lot. I mean, 10 stocks, and thanks for wrapping things up so well. Sudeep Bandopad.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18, and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.